What up, y'all? I'm back. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to collect sales tax, state sales tax on your Bosscart website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our shop, and then we're going to click our settings. Then we're going to go to taxes, and so we're going to add country. So let's say we're going to go United States. We're going to do Virginia, and then we'll just put state tax for the tax name here. Percentage, which I think this part of Virginia is 6, and we'll just leave that as is. Confirm. So boom, that's set up. So now let's go to our store to see how it looks. But before we do that, over here on the right, you see you can either include it in the price or not include it in the price. So if we include it in the price, what it'll do is it'll just show the tax amount, but the price won't change. So basically you'll be soaking up the taxes within your price. So you would just automatically adjust your price beforehand to have the taxes already included. But if you don't include it, it'll itemize the price. It'll itemize the tax and the amount that was taxed, or the amount that, like the percentage that's being taxed, in addition to the price. It'll show that to the customer. So let me show you how it works. So if we go back to our store, we're gonna click store. We're gonna do a blog template. We're gonna add that to cart. It's $97. So it's $97. So we're gonna proceed to checkout. And let's add a Virginia address here, and then we're going to continue. And then boom, as you can see on the right, the state tax of 6% was added to the $97 here. But if we went back and indicated that we wanted to just include the taxes within the price, we already adjusted our pricing to soak that up. We'll just check that, and then if we go back here and refresh, make sure we have a Virginia address. Okay, continue, and then boom, you see that the tax amount is listed, but we've already adjusted the pricing to soak up that tax amount, so the total for the customer is what they saw previously. So that's how you set up a state tax for your Bosscart website. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. If this helped, if any feedback really in general really helps. So until next time, holla.